Okay, so we are now on worksheet 3, 2B of this factorization. Okay, so let's start. Now, so last week we stopped here and then we say, what do we put in the bracket, by the way? What can we put in this bracket? Nothing. The reason nothing because there's no way I can square root 80, right? Square root 80 is a decimal, right? So I cannot put a decimal here. I don't want to put a decimal here. Does that make sense to you, Jiaming? Huh? Oh, Monday you're not here. So go and watch the video again and then catch up. Huh? So square root 80 cannot because I cannot put a decimal here. So the only thing I can do is I will factorize. Now once I factorize, then I realize that this is 16. Arifa, why is this 16? How do I come up with the 16? 80 divided by 5, right? So 16. So then 16 I can then convert into a square minus b square, right? Then a plus b, a minus b. And hence a is done, right? That was the last lesson. Then 5b I asked y'all to do, but y'all are screaming that y'all can't do. So let's try 2b together, just a recap. Now, so 128 minus 18w squared. My question is this in this format? Is this in the something square minus something square format? No, huh? Now, why do I want in this format? Because factorize means I want to remove or create bracket. Hadi. I don't deserve you. Isabel, if I want factorize, do I want to create or remove bracket? Create bracket. So create bracket, then I can have more bracket. If I can make in this form, then the formula I remember was a square minus b square. Imagine them having bracket. It is something here. And what is this something, Nisa? If I have a square minus b square, what can I write? Friends, don't help. Don't know. Jolie? If a square minus b square, right, then what can I write inside these brackets? Something plus something, something minus something. Good. A plus b, a minus b, right? So if I build on this example, this a and b are just symbol to represent. I can change it entirely and it looks something like this, but somewhat different. Example, if I have a square minus 2 square, can you tell me what do I put inside the bracket? Think now, write down, and I ask you. Write somewhere, got space, right? You think, what will you write? Inside the bracket. To sing the song, the momentum goes something plus something, something minus something. So what do I write inside the bracket? A plus 2, A minus 2. Sorry, I write wrongly. Now let's try the song again. So let's say I have 3x square minus y square. How does this song sound like? Right, then I ask you. Write on the paper, then I ask you. I'll ask those who are not writing. Agida, you have written. What do you write here? The song goes something plus something, something minus something. Haven't right? Never mind, you can read on the spot. The lyrics is 3x and y, right? So something plus something, something minus something. What will you write? 3x plus y. So you can write 3x plus y. Then 3x minus y. Can follow? Can follow the song? Can, huh? Now, one more song. 3x squared minus y squared. Question. Okay, I'm slowly revising. Danish, let me know if you're really not feeling well. Huh? Then we have to send you back. Huh? Ew. 37.8, 37.5. Slight fever. You need to go back. 3y squared minus y squared. Is it possible to do a plus b, a minus b? How many of you think yes? Nobody. How many think no? 4. Then the rest? Okay, the answer is no. Can you write down? Can you write down? Now, you really need to understand, otherwise you'll be pulling your hair because you are like thinking, this problem and this problem looks somewhat similar, right? What is missing? Hey. No need, no need. He has your care and concern already. You can feel the love. So, can you sit properly and listen to me? Now, everyone need to know why this one cannot. Reason is because why? You all hear what? Repeat what Nisa say? Because the square is only attached to the x. The 3 is not square. Understand? So, can you write this? Can you write this? Is everyone writing? If you agree this, then my question is, what is 3x squared? 3x times 3x, which is equal to 9x squared. So that is why it's different. Arifa can understand now? Amelia, okay? Chloe, okay? Kelly, why are you there? Can you go back to your seat? Yeah. Alright, so now you know cannot. So here there is no solution. No solution. Somewhat like that. There's no solution. You can't factorize because this 3x squared cannot be put in the bracket. Okay? So no solution. Now go back to this question. Okay, Irvin, what is going on? The files are dropping, Put on the floor, Sean. Put on the floor. Whose files is that? Whose books are those? Not just Nisa lah. Okay. Nisa, your homework not there, No. Okay. Okay. Hey, I feel very distracted. I think some of you are annoyed by now because I keep talking about nonsense. Yes, Daryl? What is 3x squared? 3x squared is just 3 times x squared. The 3 is alone, the x squared is alone. So, cannot. So, I want you to answer this question. This bracket is 3x times 3x, so it's not the same. 3x squared is just like that, cannot factorize anymore. Okay, come back to this class. Can I put anything inside the bracket? Tell me. Can I put some number square to get 128? Tell me. Don't know. Take out calculator, Jiang Ming. Press square root 128. What do you see in your calculator? Hurry up. 11.3. Because it's 11.3 is a decimal, I cannot put into a bracket square. 11.3 cannot. Therefore, if I cannot put, then my next best way is to factorize. That means I must have a number here. What is the number I can factorize? 2. Okay, let's take out 2. What is left inside? 64 minus 9w squared. My next question is, I'm sorry, thank you Orlando. There's no square outside. My next question is, can I put this in something square minus something square? Can I pause the screen? So how do I get 64? Daryl, I take 128 divided by 2. I get 64. How do I get 9w squared? I take 18 divided by 2. I get 9w squared. Now, you all have filled in the numbers inside. Hadi, what is the number inside here? 64 wrong. Because this number here, there's a missing square. This number here, I get from the number on top. So my question is 68. What number square will give you 68? 8. So this is 8. What about the other bracket? I must get from 9w squared. So I square root 9, I get 3, right? So this is 3w. Now I can sing the song again. Y'all like to sing song so much, right? I can sing the song again because this is something plus something, something minus something. What can I write inside the bracket? Right now, I ask you. 5, 4, 3, 2, Sichuan, what have you written in the bracket? 8 plus 3w, excellent. The other one? 8 minus 3w. Oh, okay? Okay. This video itself is already 11.